Plant FAQs. Bambusa vulgaris, common bamboo. As an enthusiast of tropical plants, I've often been asked about Bambusa vulgaris, commonly known as common bamboo. This versatile plant has captivated many gardeners, so let's delve into some frequently asked questions and explore its benefits, care, and uses. What is Bambusa vulgaris? Bambusa vulgaris is a species of bamboo native to Southeast Asia. It's characterized by its tall, upright growth and vibrant green stems, which can reach heights of up to 50 feet. Known for its rapid growth and resilience, it thrives in tropical and subtropical climates. This bamboo species is not only beautiful but also practical, serving various purposes in construction, crafts, and even culinary uses. How strong is Bambusa vulgaris vittata? Bambusa vulgaris vittata, or the striped bamboo, is renowned for its strength and durability. Its unique striped appearance adds an aesthetic appeal, but its structural integrity is what truly stands out. The thickness of its culms, stems, provides excellent tensile strength, making it suitable for building fences, furniture, and even scaffolding. In my experience, its robustness rivals that of hardwoods, making it an excellent choice for outdoor projects. What use is Bambusa vulgaris vittata? Bambusa vulgaris vittata has a variety of uses, both functional and decorative. Beyond construction, it's commonly used in landscaping for creating privacy screens or windbreaks due to its dense growth. Additionally, its unique appearance makes it a popular choice for ornamental purposes in gardens. I've seen it used effectively in urban settings to soften hard landscapes, adding a touch of greenery and elegance. Is Bambusa vulgaris good for your hair? Surprisingly, Bambusa vulgaris isn't just useful in construction and landscaping. It also has benefits for hair care. The extracts from its leaves and stems are rich in silica, which can promote hair strength and shine. Many natural hair care products now include Bambusa vulgaris extract for its nourishing properties. I've used shampoos containing this extract, and I found my hair felt stronger and looked shinier after regular use. What is Bambusa vulgaris extract? Bambusa vulgaris extract is derived from the leaves and stems of the bamboo plant. This extract is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which contribute to its health benefits. It's commonly used in cosmetics and skincare products for its hydrating and anti-aging properties. The extract helps in retaining moisture, making it a valuable addition to lotions and creams. Personally, I enjoy using products with this extract, especially during the dry months when my skin craves hydration. How to care for Bambusa vulgaris? Caring for Bambusa vulgaris is relatively straightforward. It prefers well-drained soil and a sunny location, though it can tolerate partial shade. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry periods, but be cautious not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. I recommend fertilizing it during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer to encourage healthy growth. Pruning is also beneficial. Removing dead or damaged culms will promote a healthier plant. How to propagate Bambusa vulgaris? Propagation of Bambusa vulgaris can be done through division or cuttings. The best time for division is during the spring when the plant is actively growing. Simply dig up a clump, ensuring each division has roots and shoots, and replant them in well-prepared soil. For cuttings, choose healthy culms and plant them in soil with good drainage. In my experience, both methods are effective, but I've found division to be more reliable. Can you grow Bambusa vulgaris indoors? While Bambusa vulgaris is primarily an outdoor plant, it can be grown indoors with the right conditions. It requires ample light, so placing it near a window that receives direct sunlight is essential. Additionally, ensure it has enough space to grow, as it can become quite large. I've seen some successful indoor setups with this bamboo, but it's crucial to provide humidity and regular watering to mimic its natural habitat. Is Bambusa vulgaris toxic? Bambusa vulgaris is generally considered non-toxic to humans and pets. It's a safe choice for gardens, particularly if you have children or animals around. However, as with any plant, it's always good to monitor for any allergic reactions. I've had my share of interactions with various plants, and Bambusa vulgaris has always been a safe addition to my garden. Benefits of Bambusa vulgaris. The benefits of Bambusa vulgaris extend beyond aesthetics. Its fast growth makes it an excellent choice for quick privacy solutions. Additionally, It helps with soil erosion and can improve soil quality over time. I've found that its presence in my garden has also attracted various beneficial insects, enhancing the ecosystem. Common problems. While Bambusa vulgaris is hardy, it can face some common problems like pests and diseases. Aphids and spider mites can occasionally infest the plant. I recommend keeping an eye out for any signs of distress and treating infestations promptly with organic insecticides. Proper care and maintenance can significantly reduce these issues. In conclusion, Bambusa vulgaris is a remarkable plant that offers a multitude of benefits, from its strength and beauty to its uses in hair care and landscaping. Whether you're considering adding it to your garden or exploring its extract for cosmetic purposes, this bamboo species certainly deserves a spot on your list.